Bluehost is our recommended web hosting partner, particularly for startups and small businesses. So I just want to walk you through the process of purchasing web hosting for your new website from Bluehost. So you start on this page, and there's a link in the description. You start on this page, press the green bar here, get started now. You're going to see, we're going to click through to 3 different options. So the basic has just one website, limited web space, performance is standard, but you can see there's not as many features and only 100 megabytes of storage. So there's also the Plus package, which is a package that we had for a number of years. We still have we still have that package. We've had that package for about 5-6 years. marketingfundamentals.com. And there's the Prime package. Please be aware, just a note of caution, that obviously there's an offer on here which is excellent. So $10.99 reduced to $5.95 for the Plus package, and I'm just going to run through the features in a moment. Prime package is also $5.95 at the moment, but look at this figure that's got a line through it. After 1 year, your monthly hosting will go back up to $14.99. So perhaps Plus is a better package for you, because after 1 year it'll just go to $10.99 per month. So it's just something to be aware of for year 2. So the features for the Plus package are unmetered website space, unmetered bandwidth, park domains unlimited, subdomains unlimited, email accounts unlimited. So this is a really good package, and you get a number of marketing offers. So let's assume that we're not going to go for the $14.99, although obviously that might be the best package for some people. Let's assume that we're going to go for the Plus package. We'll click here. I'm just clicking through now, and we have it. We've just bought our domain, so let's imagine it's bestdomain.com. Type that in, click through, just clicking through now. We need to enter our name and address, business details, all of the usual specifics, and then pick our package information. So our account plan, we're going to go for 2 years, so that would be $178.80. Setup is free. Search engine jumpstart, we don't need that option. Site backup pro, yeah, that's included. We're going to keep that included. Site lock, security find, no, I'm not going to pick that option. So the total is $214.68, and that's for 24 months. And then we're going to input our credit card details and click submit. Obviously we should read the terms of service, cancellation and privacy policy, and I mean that we actually should read them before we tick this box. Don't just tick it. Have a quick scan of those, read them, digest. If there's anything that you're not happy with, you can go into live chat with Bluehost and ask them about those particular policies or anything that you have a question mark over, and then click submit. Obviously I've not filled out the details, so it won't let me submit, but let me just, while I've mentioned it, let me just talk about live chat. We'll go back to the form. Let's imagine I've filled out the form, I've filled out my credit card details, and then submit, and that's it. And then you are registered with Bluehost. When you've registered for Bluehost, you've made payment for the hosting plan, your preferred hosting plan. You're going to be given access to a control panel. Control panel looks something like this. So you've got your hosting services, and then there are a number of different categories. So there's a website here, website manager, installs, themes and templates, email manager, so you can access emails there, set up new email accounts. You can also do at the top screen navigation here, email, so you'll be using that quite a lot. What else is in here that's used? Domain manager is used quite regularly. You need to have access to that. Files, statistics, although then AW Stats is not superior to Google Analytics, so you should still use your Google Analytics. But it's interesting to have a look at AW Stats and Webalizer Stats and compare them to Google Analytics. They're not comparing directly like with like, so it's not an exact synergy there between the data being collected, but it's still interesting to look at nevertheless. If you want to upgrade, you can do so via this segment, and that's really all of the key security. Just scrolling down for you so you can have a look at the control panel before you've actually signed up. But those are the key sections for Bluehost web hosting, and this is the control panel.